Oh, today is National Nonprofit Day. Comes as a critical time as many are still trying to recover from the impacts of the pandemic.
Yeah, back in March, the Alliance of Arizona Nonprofits reported a total revenue loss of more than $91 million. 2,000 staff laid off or furloughed, and 73,000 volunteers lost. Arizona Gives Day in April helped a bit, raising more than $7 million, but we still have a long way to go.
We asked them, how long can you sustain this if nothing changes? And at the time, a good portion of them said 6 months or 12 months. Well, that was April. And now here we are in August, which is hard to believe. So at some point, we have to have a continued influx of that increased generosity.
And what better opportunity to give than on National Nonprofit Day? Team 12's Jen Wahl joins us live from Arizona Helping Hands. So Jen, this is just one of several Arizona nonprofits, and how can folks get out there and help?
Yeah, good morning to you, Ryan and Rachel. There are a lot of nonprofits across Arizona, across the country. This morning, we are with Arizona Helping Hands that works with foster families around the valley. Incredible work here. And what they really need are diapers and clothing. We'll talk about that in just a few minutes, but you're talking about that need. It is so huge. And for the first time in nearly 20 years, according to Indiana University, a study from there, they said that nearly half of U.S. households donated to charity, a nonprofit charity, and that's down, and it's been decreasing since the Great Recession. The numbers used to be a lot higher than that. So joining me live this morning is Jay Spector with Arizona Helping Hands. Thank you so much for being here. So we're talking about this huge need here locally. What are you seeing with your nonprofit?
Well, thank you, Jen, for coming out this morning. We're seeing a great need for foster families throughout Arizona. We provide basic needs, whether it's beds, cribs, diapers, basic hygiene items, clothing, school backpacks, you name it. We're providing that to foster families.
All right, and so how can people help out? This morning, we're inside of this really awesome place. There's all kinds of brand new clothes and toys, sunglasses, hats, just so many things for foster families to come in and shop. And so how can people around the valley help make sure that they have a really nice experience?
Well, that's great. So we can take donations of diapers, personal hygiene kits for boys and girls and teens. But the most important thing people can do is visit our website at www.azhelpinghands.org, where they can see lists of items that we need. They can volunteer, or they can donate cash to our organization so that we can provide those items to foster families around the state.
And when we were talking earlier, you were just telling me what a wonderful experience it is for these foster kids and families to get to come in here, get brand new clothes of their own, sometimes for the first time. Tell us about what that's like and why that's so important.
Well, thanks to our partners at Scottsdale Leadership, they've created this retail space that we're standing in now within our warehouse, and that allows foster families to come in and have a retail shopping experience with their foster kids. We provide them with clothes, we provide them with beds, sheets, towels, blankets, diapers, you name it, but it really helps them get a leg up and alleviate some of the financial burden that's on new foster families.
All right, Jay, thank you so much for joining us live this morning. We really appreciate it. Again, you can go to their website, Arizona Helping Hands, to donate. He said they also need volunteers. So many ways to give back today and moving forward, Ryan.